Good afternoon. My name is Joshua Hall, and I am the theater teacher as well as a few other things at Andale High School, which is a part of Renwick USD 267. I'm going to start out by apologizing that my video is coming so late. I got so accustomed to due dates being on Sundays that I didn't even pay attention that things in this class were due on Saturdays, and so I am submitting a day late. I apologize, and it will be noted for the rest of the class. So, interesting things about me. In addition to my work as an educator, I do still keep up my professional acting and directing life. I do shows when I can outside of the classroom, as well as still delve into like acting and singing lessons and dance and all that good stuff. Other interesting things, I am married. My wife is also a teacher. She teaches K-5 music in McPherson, Kansas, where we live with our two dogs, Milo and Otis. Milo is our 7, 8, he's 8-year-old golden retriever. And then Otis is a little over a year. He's our COVID dog. We got him during quarantine, and he is a Cavapoo. They are the closest thing we have to actual like biological children at this time, and so they are our lives. We do enjoy their presence in our household. So again, I teach theater at Andale High School in addition to public speaking and yearbook, and I'm also the Odyssey of the Mind advisor as well. We do a full theater season, which is why I've been doing homework on Sundays. I do typically we had done 3 or 2 shows. This year we're upping it to 4. And so I am very busy in my professional life. Long-term and short-term professional goals. Short-term is to get my master's here at Fort Hays in education. Education has always been something I've been passionate about, and so I'm excited to get the opportunity to do this and be able to create my art with my students, as well as learn the educational components to what it means to be a theater teacher in Kansas. Long term, I never thought I would be in education this early. I always assumed I would eventually be like a college professor later on in my life. And so my long-term goal as of now is probably to eventually maybe get my MFA, go find some acting masters, and then teach college theater at some point. Either that or administration in the public school sector as well. Learning from this course, I feel last year gave me a really good opportunity to develop my curriculum. Theater has a really advantage, I think, curriculum-wise, because we don't have something laid out for us. We have obviously standards and objectives that we have to teach our children, but the way in which we teach it is kind of up to us. And so I get a lot of creativity with my curriculum. And so last year I felt I was able to really get my curriculum down to the point of, okay, this is what I want to accomplish. And this year I'm really focusing on kind of getting that finesse to it, tweaking some things, doing much more than just doggy paddling my way through the semester, because last year was a lot, as I'm sure a lot of us know, with teaching and COVID and extracurriculars and grad school and I keep telling myself that's my new thing. Improv is yes and as a transition to teach student, I am just and. That is constantly what is adding to my plate. So I'm looking forward to learning from everyone. I'm looking forward to learning some more curriculum stuff, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.